What's up, all you southern snakes? My name's GreatSnake91. So today we are doing a tutorial which we've never done before on Adobe Photoshop. So let me just go to Adobe Photoshop here. So anyway, this is the real deal. This is Photoshop. I'm pretty decent at Photoshop. So what we're gonna be doing is a mask, like a face mask tutorial. So here's this line right here. So this is the line, and what we're going to be doing to him is we're going to be adding a monkey face to him, which is weird, but that's what we're going to be. So the reason I decided to do this is because it hasn't really been explained. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and import a layer, and you want to turn down the fill, so it will make it more easier for you to get the face lined up and everything. Like, that's perfect. And then you want to put the fill back up. So then I'm just gonna raditize this so it makes it easier for me. Then you go to layer mask, hide all. So then once you do that, you select the brush tool, and voila, you got a nice looking Photoshop. You can also do this on people, for example, like let's see, Gordon Freeman here. Then we can select, like, we go to place here to get another image, and there. Then we do the same thing, like that, line it up. Looks we could rotate the head a little bit. Looks good enough. Just move it over a little bit, and then we go raditize it, and then put the fill back up, and same thing, layer mask. You want to make sure to hide it, so you can do this. Look, and then look at Gordon Freeman. He's handsome now. So it's a pretty neat tool. It's pretty fun to mess around with. Like, for example, this homeless person. You can put, like, this guy's face on him, which is an Unreal Tournament character, which I do not feel against homeless people. I'm just doing it for an example. This poor Vietnam veteran. Oh, I need to use my... There. Well, that was a little too light. This picture wasn't a really good image to use, but it's gonna work. Layer mask, hide all. Yeah, this image wasn't really good. Anyway, there it is. Looks pretty bad. So anyway, thank you. This was a quick tutorial. I'm just showing Photoshop. I also have more. I can actually do more. I mean, I have time. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So here's the background here. We're going to make a Five Nights at Freddy's thumbnail in Photoshop. So then we just go to place. Here's Bonnie. I already made a thumbnail for my Five Nights at Freddy's video, which you should go check out. Scale him a little bit, like right there. Then you want to click the text tool and type out, like, let's see. You can't really see it. Let me change the font here. Okay. Oh, wait, I already have text. Why'd I do that? Delete that layer. delete that layer. Okay. Oh, here we go. So I'm going to make mine nice and large. 5 Nights Freddy's Part 1. So I'm going to make this white so it's visible. There we go. Let me select that. Make it white. So now it's more visible, so put it right there. Oh, I got it wrong. Oh, well, that's good enough. 5 Nights at Fred's. Alright, so then you want to go to layer styles. I don't know what it's called in Photoshop. Layer property. No. I don't know what it's called in Photoshop. Oh, I need to raditize this. And then, I don't remember. Oh, what is it down here, I think? Oh, here we go. It's blending options. Blending options. Look, we could add like a drop shadow to it. We could add inner glow. Like, look at that. That looks pretty good. Look, we can make it like creepy, like. Then we could add inner shadow, like make it red or something. Outer glow, so okay. And there you go. There's your thumbnail. And you could also add like a drop shadow to this guy. Like this, like I'm gonna add an outer glow. Oh no. Like, look, you can make it blacker. We're gonna make it, I don't really want it to be gray. Or would the drop shadow look better? I don't know. Size. Nice. Blend mode. Oh, here we go. I had the wrong layer selected. So like we can make this nice and white and then like look, that looks good. I really wish there's a brighter white though. Is there a color picker? Ah, that's good enough. So anyway, there's your thumbnail. So anyway, thank you snakes for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And also, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.